First, surface texture. Thinner color films can lead to obvious surface ripples, affecting the appearance. High-quality products use thicker color films to ensure a smooth surface and excellent appearance. Second, printing quality. Low-cost IXPE faux marble self-adhesive wainscoting uses limited printing materials, leading to poor printing effects. In contrast, high-quality products feature rich colors, clear patterns, and realistic faux marble effects, significantly enhancing VA. Soul appeal. Third, flexibility. Opt for products with high flexibility that can easily be rolled and folded for crease-free installation, making them easier to work with. Fourth, material choice. Prefer high-quality IXPE materials with a low expansion rate, which are waterproof, stain-resistant, and heat-resistant. Follow me to navigate the pitfalls of the industry.